everyone, welcome to CDC. Today I'm sharing one of the most requested recipe from our subscribers. If you also want to make excellent butter chicken with lip-smacking flavors and that too without tandoor, oven and no food color, then do try out this recipe. I will be sharing small tips by using which you can make your butter chicken taste top class. So do watch this video till end. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it and do share it with your friends and loved ones. For marinating the chicken, make the cuts approximately 80% deep and half to 1 inch apart. Then apply ginger garlic paste, lime juice and salt. Rub it well and keep it aside. Then in a bowl or any deep dish add mustard oil and Kashmiri red chili powder. Then add sour cream or hung yogurt, coriander powder, black Himalayan salt, red chili powder, dry mango powder, cardamom powder, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi and roasted cumin powder into it. Mix it well. Then add chicken into it and rub it well. Marinate it overnight in the refrigerator, or if you have time constraint like I had, then marinate the chicken for first 2 hours into the refrigerator and next 2 hours at room temperature. If it is not too hot, like right now, fall has started here and weather is quite cool. The trick is whether you marinate it overnight or 4 hours in refrigerator. Chicken should be at room temperature before you cook it. So if you are marinating the chicken for 4 to 5 hours, take it out half an hour before you cook it. Now heat up a pot or kadhai on medium-low flame. Add oil. When oil is slightly hot, then add cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, black peppercorn, ginger, garlic, dried Kashmiri red chilies, onions and tomatoes into it. Then mix it. So the important thing while making the sauce is we don't want any color from onions in the gravy. Then add salt, sugar and butter into it. Mix it and cook it for about a minute. Then add cashews, cook them for 2 to 3 minutes and add water. Cover it and cook it on medium-low flame for 15 minutes or until cashews turn soft. Then turn off the flame, let it cool down a bit and then grind it into smooth buttery paste. To grill chicken, heat up the grill pan or a regular pan on high heat. Once hot, add oil followed by butter. Then add marinated chicken into it. Cook it for about 5 minutes and don't move it. Then flip it and cook it from the other side as well without moving it. Then turn down the flame to low and cook it until it is 70 to 80% cooked. Then take it out on a plate. Let the chicken rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. Actually, I forgot to rest it, but you make sure that you don't miss it. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, which helps ensure a moister taste. Then cut the chicken into pieces. Heat up a pan or kadhai on medium-low heat. Add oil. Then add butter. Once butter starts melting down, add Kashmiri red chili powder, roasted cumin powder into it. Stir it and roast them for 10 to 20 seconds. Then add tomato sauce. Strain it through a sieve. Add 400 ml of water and boil it on high flame until froth comes to the surface. Take out the scum and discard it. Now turn down the flame to medium and let the gravy thicken. Add chicken pieces into the thickened gravy. Mix it and cover it with a lid and cook it on low flame until butter comes to the surface. Then add butter, whipping cream, little bit of honey to just round off the flavor. It won't make it sweet. Then add dried and roasted fenugreek leaves. Now place a small bowl in the center of the curry and put hot coal into it. Then sprinkle garam masala and few drops of ghee. Cover it and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes only. Once done, take out the bowl and extremely tasty creamy butter chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy it with naan bread, roti or rice. Garnish it with fresh cream or enjoy it as it is. Do try out this recipe and share your thoughts in comment section. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.